How to sync your Facebook friends list on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this is a new update that I recently got, and they say that we can sync our Facebook friends list to connect with them on TikTok. And they will access our Facebook friends list and our Facebook friends, and they will be able to find us on TikTok if we want to choose to sync. So if you want to sync, you can go ahead and click on the sync button, and if you don't want, you can click on the skip button. So I will show you how to sync. First time we have to click on the sync button, wait for it to load. And now they say that our Facebook friends are linked, and you can also sync your contacts. And I will just skip that because I don't want to. And if you want to sync your contacts, then you can go ahead and click on the sync button, but I will skip it. So here they are showing you some people that you may know and you can follow them. After you did that, you can go ahead and click on done, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.